it's your girl Ashley Ariane coming to you with my very first YouTube video. I am going to be doing a little... I'm here to show you how to get this puff on 4B4C hair. If you want to see how to go from this to this, keep watching my video. Okay, y'all, so into this tutorial, I'm starting off on an old wash and go, and I'm just going to start by spraying water all around my hair, get up in them edges, in the middle, on the side, and the front. You know some natural hair love water. And then I'm going to just wipe the little extra off my face. I don't like stuff all over my face. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rub it through, make sure that I'm making it soft and manageable. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that Creme of Nature coconut milk, hair milk, around the perimeter of my hair. It is so soft, y'all. I love this product. And then, you know, I'm going to make it manageable, start pushing it up into the puff shape, get my brush on now. And y'all, I cannot believe my brush got stuck. Oh, child, that brush, it always give me problems. But putting the scrunchie over my head, y'all see I got a big head, so it's a little hard to get that thing on over there. But nevertheless, I'm natural. I love me a good puff. It's my staple piece. And then, you know, I love me some edges, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I work them things on up there. I start by brushing the left out hair. So, oh man, I hate people who use too much hair on their edges. I just brush what's already out there, and I go ahead and put some Jamaican black castor on them things to make them strong. You don't want to go bald head doing puffs. So I go ahead and I make sure that I put a lot of Jamaican black castor oil on there first, and then I go ahead and put my edge control on second, just so it can have a barrier in between so it's not that rough on my edges. Yeah, I don't want to lose my edges. It makes my hair look good no matter what style I do. So I go ahead and put that on there and put the rest that I got that I want to put on my edges in the back just to sleek that up a little bit. Yes, 2 times for them edges. I go ahead and get my scarf after I finish, and I tie it around as tight as I can. Loose enough so that I don't get a headache, but you know what I'm talking about. Just so my edges lay down. I mean, sweat, water, all of that can change them edges. Then I go ahead and grab my pick. Oh my God, I'm so silly. I go ahead and grab my pick my puff out. My hair shrinks up like no other. So I have to pick my puff out, make it look big, make it look the way I want it to. And just use my fingers to shape it as well. Make sure that it look puff-tastic. Yes, I just said puff-tastic. And then yeah, on to the next step. See you in 20 minutes to take that thing off. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and I hope it helps someone get the bomb puff they're looking for. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.